What if I told you there is one simple position you can do every single day? No gym, no tools, no fancy setup, that can strengthen your legs, straighten your posture, lift your energy, and yes, even support your vitality and libido. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's real. And most people over 50 have never even heard of it. It is called the horse stance, and while it might look like you read just standing still, the benefits happening inside your body are anything but simple. For centuries, martial artists and healers have used this stance not for looks, but for what it activates deep within the body. Here's the best part. You only need 2 minutes a day. Bedroom, living room, kitchen, anywhere. No equipment, no jumping, no joint stress. But the real magic? It strengthens your mind just as much as your muscles. This stance improves balance, joint stability, pelvic circulation, core control, and even hormonal health. In a way most exercises can't. And trust me, benefit number 7 is something almost nobody talks about, yet everyone over 50 should understand. Before we dive in, drop your name and where you're rewatching from in the comments. I'd love to know who S here. 1. Strength that starts from the ground up. After 50, leg strength isn't about looking athletic. It's about rising from a chair without pushing on your knees, climbing stairs without holding your breath, walking without fear of missteps. The horse stance is like switching on a power generator in your lower body. Your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves all activate at once and stay activated the entire time. No pounding, no running, no impact, just deep, steady muscle engagement. This is why it's perfect for aging joints. You build real strength without grinding your knees or hips. And here's something people forget. When your legs stay strong, you stay independent. Carrying groceries, stepping onto a bus, catching your balance, it all starts in your legs. 2 minutes a day can bring back power you didn't realize you were losing. Because aging strong isn't about pushing harder, it's about training smarter. 2. Your core is more than abs. It's your stability system. Forget six-pack abs. After 50, your core's job is to protect your spine, keep your posture upright, and support everyday movements. The horse stance quietly engages your entire midsection, front, sides, and deep back muscles you can't hit with crunches. Your body must stay tall, balanced, and centered. And that whole effort is pure core strength. A stronger core means less pressure on your lower back, better posture, easier turning, bending, and standing, more endurance throughout your day. There's no straining the neck or shoulders, no floor exercises, just steady strength that supports your whole life. This is the kind of core training that keeps people pain-free for decades. 3. Restore balance and reclaim your body awareness. One of the sneakier effects of aging is losing balance, slowly, quietly, without realizing it, until you stumble. The horse stance brings your balance system back online. While you hold the pose, every muscle works to keep you centered, and your brain reactivates proprioception, your internal GPS. It's like recalibrating your whole body. Over time, you'll feel more sure-footed when walking on uneven ground, getting out of the car, stepping into the shower, reaching or turning. No balancing equipment needed, just you and gravity. Falls don't come out of nowhere. They come from loss of stability. This stance helps you prevent that before it happens. 4. A natural boost for pelvic health. No pills required. Let's talk about a topic most people avoid, pelvic vitality. After 50, circulation and muscle tone in the pelvic region can decline, affecting bladder control, sexual wellness, and overall comfort. The horse stance naturally engages the deep muscles around the hips, pelvis, and lower abdomen, areas traditional workouts often ignore. This improves blood flow, pelvic floor support, sensation, and muscle tone. For men, improved circulation can support performance and confidence. For women, the added tone helps stability and bladder control. And because the stance also calms stress hormones, many people notice better mood, better sleep, a renewed sense of vitality. This isn't about vanity, it's about quality of life. 5. Build mental toughness, not just muscle. Holding the stance looks simple, until you try it. After 20-30 seconds, your legs shake, your mind wanders, and everything inside wants to quit. That's where the real growth begins. By breathing through the discomfort, you train mental resilience, the kind that carries into everyday stress, setbacks, and challenges. This practice lowers cortisol, improves focus, strengthens emotional stability. After 50, mental strength is just as essential as physical strength, and this stance trains both at the same time. It's more than exercise, it's self-control training. 6. Joint-friendly strength, without repetitive wear. Aging joints crave stability, not pounding. The horse stance strengthens knees, ankles, and hips through stillness, a method called isometric training. This gently loads the tendons and ligaments, helping them grow stronger without irritation. Better joint integrity means less stiffness, better movement, lower injury risk, more confidence. If you avoid exercise because of knee pain or fear of injury, this is the safest strength training you can do. Your joints don't need more work. They need the right work. 7. Free your hips. Free your mobility. Tight hips are one of the biggest reasons people lose movement after 50. The horse stance naturally opens the hips, stretches the deep tissues, and improves flexibility without forcing any extreme position. You don't have to go low. Even a shallow stance creates change. Better hip mobility means easier walking, better balance, improved posture, less lower back tension. When your hips unlock, your whole body moves better, and you feel younger doing it. 8. Support your hormones. Naturally. That drained feeling, that low motivation, that sense of slowing down, a lot of it comes from hormonal shifts after 50. Holding the horse stance creates a controlled physical challenge that reduces stress hormones and boosts circulation endorphins, vitality hormones, mental clarity, add slow breathing to it, and your nervous system enters a calm, grounded state. Many people describe it as feeling like myself again. 9. A full-body workout without moving an inch. The stance engages nearly every major muscle while you stay still. Legs, core, back, hips, shoulders, arms, subtly for posture. This improves the brain-to-muscle connection, something that naturally weakens with age. It strengthens the muscles you actually use in daily life. Lifting, carrying, bending, stabilizing. It's quiet, but incredibly powerful. 10. Your body becomes your gym. No commute, no equipment, no excuses. The horse stance is always available. 2 minutes, and you're done. It fits into morning routines, breaks at work, evenings before bed, travel days, retirement life. Real change doesn't come from big workouts. It comes from habits you can sustain, and this one is almost too simple not to do. How to do it, safe and simple. Begin with feet together. Step out, toes out, heels out, until your stance is wide. Turn toes slightly outward. Lower your hips like you're sitting on an invisible bench. Keep your back tall, chest lifted. Knees should point in the same direction as your toes. Look forward, breathe slowly. Hold 30 seconds, build up to 1 to 2 minutes. Your strength grows in stillness. Who should be cautious? Avoid or modify if you have recent knee, hip, or spine surgery, severe balance problems, uncontrolled hypertension. Always check with your doctor if you have medical conditions. The power of stillness. The world tells you to move more, grind harder, push faster. But sometimes the most powerful training comes from stopping and holding your ground. 2 minutes of horse stance can help you rebuild strength, balance, posture, confidence, and inner calm, all from home. This isn't about looking younger, it's about feeling capable again. The question is, will you give your body 30 seconds to prove what it can still do? Try it today. Feel the shift. And if you already practice it, tell me in the comments, how long can you hold it?